Well, hello and welcome back to a Kooky corner of YouTube. It's that time of the month again, and I know it only seems like a couple of days ago when I was using the other box, but that's because I was saving that one specifically for that abstractory prompt. But here we are with a new one. Also, the other box came in later, didn't it, this month. This is the February box. For those not in the know, ScrawlrBox is a monthly subscription box, a monthly art subscription box even, and every month you get sent a mystery supply selection. You don't know what you're going to get, but usually it's something very interesting. Maybe sometimes something that you haven't seen, like those Boyer crayons we had last month. So I'll have a little look and see what we've got. Sorry, I'm making the camera wobble. Curious and curious. Okay, let's lift stuff out. It's always a helpful thing to do and get rid of the box. Right. Don't want to look at that yet. Let's open the package, shall we? Okay. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, oh yes. I'm already liking this. I've got a frutella. Lovely, have that later. We have got a sticker. That's usually of the artwork of the postcard that we get. Ooh, Daler-Rowney sketching water-soluble HB. Oh, nice, an HB water-soluble. I've never seen the Daler-Rowney one. That's new to me. Already new. We have number 6 Sea White. I love Sea White brushes. I have to admit, I've got a few of these, and they always hold up really well. Nice price on them as well, so they're good, all good. But what I'm loving, oh my gosh, Viviva colour sheets, metallic single set, super vivid, transparent colours. Hola, I handcrafted this for you. It's handmade with love. It is Viviva sheets. And I've got a set of these that I generally take away with me in one of my travel kits. And this one is metallics. So that sounds interesting. Whoa! Something new to try there. Let's have a look at the artwork, shall we? Oh, how pretty is that? It's beautiful. I love that. And this is by Polina Zavodina, and who's a full-time artist and creator. There are the social details there if you want to go and have a little look. 23 years old, now getting a design bachelor's degree and developing in different spheres of art life. Ooh, very interesting, but I do like that. I think that's awesome. Really love that. Okay, so that sticker clearly is from there. Let's have a look at what we've got. Yeah, watercolour paper, 8 sheets of 190 GSM watercolour paper. So it's not too thick, but it feels substantial. Let's have a look in the zine, shall we? Okay, so shiny watercolour gems that you can paint with. Simply add a drop of water to activate. Perfect palette, easy to store and use on the go. I can vouch for that because I've got another set of Viviva colour sheets that are very transportable. Artist print, melting graphite. So yeah, it will disappear with water. The Frutella Sweetie Treaty. We have the A5 watercolour paper, paintbrush, and there's a little bit of info there that if you scan the QR code, you get all the prices of each of the individual items. Interview with the lovely artist there, which would be a nice thing for me to sit down with a cuppa, which I will be doing shortly. Scrawlr tips, so how to use the paints. This is looking really cool. We get an extra gold and silver. Oh yes. Oh yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. Very cool. Watch the shimmery goodness come to life. The palette itself comes complete with swatching space directly underneath each colour. I'll be doing that in the next video. Additional Viviva tips. Try not to close the booklet while the sheets are still wet, as this may cause them to stick together. Oh, it's fair enough, isn't it? Deep dive into watercolours. That's really cool. I like that idea. I'm wondering if I can combine this set with one of my tasks as well. I shall have a think on this one. We've got the artist's advice, behind the artwork, so information on the artwork itself that we've got as a print. Scrawlr gallery, let's see if we can see any names of people. So, let's have a little look. Nope, I am not seeing anybody I know in that list. Just doing a double check. Don't want to miss out anybody. Beautiful artwork, by the way. Absolutely stunning. And that was with the set of Derwent charcoal paints, wasn't it? Yes. Okay, anybody in the top 3? No, but again, beautiful, beautiful artwork. That's very reminiscent of the artist that we were looking at. Very lovely. Really good. Also, another little QR code there to check, see the box 100 in action. So there's a video there. There's a Discord community as well for Scrawlr, which is quite handy. Get lots of more information there. So Viva Viviva, this month's supply came from our favourite Scrawlr brand, Viviva Colours, and so it's a little bit more information about people who make the Viviva colours. We've got Scrawlr Challenge around up there. Any names I know? No, not so far. I ought to do that actually. I've not done the Scrawlr Challenge artworks. I should maybe have a go at some of those. And then exploring the elements. So the elements of air, earth, fire and water. That's another thing to sit down and read through. Okay, join us live. There's a live stream on the 28th of March for this particular box. We're talking through all the goodies and everything that we've got in here. And we have a challenge word. So this is box 102 and the challenge is fire and ice. So I'm going to see if I can combine that with one of my prompts from Abstractory. See if I can come up with something to fit in. Or maybe not. Maybe I could do 2 pieces. I could do a piece to fit in with that, and then using the beautiful Viviva sheets, I could do another piece for Abstractory. But it would be good if I could tie them in together, wouldn't it? That would be awesome. So, plenty for me to read with my cuppa. If you are interested in getting your own Scrawlr box, then pop along to ScrawlrBox. I'm going to see if I've actually got the details. Well, if you just type in ScrawlrBox, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. But then you can go across there and get your hands on your very own box. It's like giving yourself a little artistic treat once a month. And maybe getting to play with something that you've not tried before. So although I have tried the Viviva colour sheets before, I haven't seen the metallic ones and how they're going to operate. So this is all going to be good for me to try something new. I will be back here very soon, and I've been slightly absent this past couple of weeks, but I promise I'll be back. I've got some things I want to show you. Also, a little quick reminder to anybody who's watching and is doing the Kooky postcard sew along. You've got another week to get your postcard images into me so that I can feature you on my video where I do a roundup of the month and introduce the next month's prompt. So we've probably got about a week until the end of the month for you to get your pictures into me so that I can add them into my little reel. Sun's just come out on my desk, which is quite nice because it's been freezing and raining all day. But yeah, a bit of sunshine always makes us feel a bit better. Have a great rest of your day, and I will speak to you very soon, and have a good one. Bye for now.